Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make these mango, pistachio and cardamom muffins. They are very delicious and they have such a delicate flavour. They are also vegan, gluten-free and refined sugar-free. You'll need to start by preheating an oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So in a bowl you're just going to add 100 grams of olive oil, 435 grams of mango puree, I'm just using tinned mango puree, 5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 310 grams of ground almonds, and if you want to, you can also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to give it that extra golden colour. And then just mix that together well using a balloon whisk if you have one, otherwise you could use a tablespoon. Once that's mixed together well, add 225 grams of gluten-free flour, 3 heaped teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 2 teaspoons ground cardamom and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to the bowl. And then, using a spatula, stir the mixture together until it's just mixed, but be sure not to overmix it. Next, roughly chop the pistachios. You could also use a food processor to do this. Just make sure that you don't chop them too finely. Maybe in half or in thirds, and it's okay if some pistachios are still whole. Then add the pistachios to the bowl and fold them into the mixture. Line 2 cupcake trays with 20 cupcake cases in total. I only had one tray, so I just did it in 2 batches. Then divide the mixture into the cupcake cases. If you want to, you can also sprinkle the extra chopped pistachios onto the muffins. Your muffins are now ready to be baked. Bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes. You'll know that they are done when a skewer inserted into the muffin comes out clean. Leave your muffins to cool before serving. They are best eaten fresh, but can also be enjoyed the next day.